Time to try my new toys out. Just going to do a teeny bit of soldering. Well, that works. Lovely jubbly. I've just soldered a universal power adapter tip to me banana plugs to plug into my universal power supply here, or my bench power supply I should say. So let's put the heat shrink on. Now should I use a soldering iron or... Nah, and I'll tell you what, let's do it properly. Let's use my other toy. Bring the heat shrink down. Should fit. It fitted earlier. There we go. Let's do the red one. Use my handy helper. There we go. My hot air gun. On my rework station I go, look. The airflow's on max. Let's wait for it to heat up to 153 degrees for some reason. I don't know why I've set it at that. Look at that, lovely jubbly. Not bad for a first attempt.